Hello and welcome to this video. In this video today, I want to reveal to you a particular platform in Nigeria that pays you for doing simple tasks. And the sweetest part of it is that you are paid in dollars. You are paid in US dollars for carrying out simple tasks, watching videos not more than 15 seconds, and they pay you $1 per video. And you can withdraw your money into your cryptocurrency wallet, and from there you can do a P2P and you are good to go. So I'll be showing you that in a couple of minutes. I won't take your time, just ride on with me as we go. So this platform I'm talking about is called Cheersway e-commerce. It's a platform where advertisers go to advertise, and they are looking for employees that will help them in a kind of viewing videos and liking those adverts, and in return they pay you from the some fraction from the money paid by the advertisers. And it's very fine. They are paying very fine. Trust me, they are paying fine. And if you opt in and you register, you have the opportunity of making between 1.8 dollar to $5 per day, depending on the package you subscribe to. So, and you have the opportunity of watching videos from Monday to Friday. That's the working days. Then Saturday and Sunday is work free day. Then you continue on a Monday again, and again you have referral bonus if you bring in, of which it's not compulsory you bring in people, but if you refer someone and they are able to kind of upgrade their package, you also get some commission, then 5 to 15%, and there are some other compensation and incentives. Then you have the opportunity of withdrawing your money once it is $10. And if you are into the bigger package, which is called the Europe package, then you can withdraw your money within 2 days, because you make $5 per day. In the second day you've already made $10. Then you withdraw your money. And if it is the other one, then at the end of the 5 days you would have made $9, and the following week you make your $10, you withdraw. So that is the platform. As I speak with you now, it's working perfectly. I've done my withdrawals severally, and the sweetest part is that you withdraw your money into your cryptocurrency wallet, USDT, and you also store value with that. If you don't want to sell now, you may keep it. As the coin appreciates, then your money increases. So that is the business opportunity I've brought to you. If you are interested in joining this, please, you can reach me on the number showing on your screen via WhatsApp or a call. Then I will give you more information as it concerns this business. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you some other time. Bye.